Do a little walk around of our casual car meet today. Some cool Corvettes here and a 66 Goat. Some kind of red-eyed Hellcat. Some people. It's a 911 Targa. Another one. Super cool Tokyo drift car. 66 El Camino. Some kind of BMW. An awesome 72 C10. Another Volkswagen, I mean Porsche. A sick Z06 track weapon type Corvette. And a really nice looking orange Challenger over here. Looks so cool. That's pretty awesome. That's awesome cars. And we got some more over here. Oh, this guy actually just works in the building right there. He didn't even come here for this, but that's a nice car too. A little Porche Macan. There it is. 65, 6.